Hi guys, my name is Disha and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you must have already seen from the title, this is an Amazon haul, summer appropriate tops. Basically all the tops are under the budget of 750 rupees. Actually one or two tops are like around 750, rest of them are very cheap. And summer is already here, so I have kept in mind the color scheme, and I have bought color appropriate, which are pastel shades, which are very much appropriate for summers and very colorful and very aesthetic tops. If you want to buy any of these tops, I'm gonna link all the products in the description box below, so you can check them out for yourself. So let's get started. Starting from this very first top, which is my favorite, and that is I'm wearing it. It's a very summer appropriate mustard colored top. I really love these puffy sleeves. These are not too puffy and they are very appropriate enough, and I really love how it cinches to your body size. So I have bought this in the size medium, so you don't have to go a size up, because it is very stretchable, as you can see. Also wear layered chains, which are trendy, and you can really accentuate your style and pop in some highlighter on your collarbones, and it is amazing. I really love this top. I don't have any complaints with the quality. It's just that it is a little bit shorter, so you're not much into shorter tops, you can of course go with the high waist jeans, and I have really no complaints with this one. I really love it. Personally, I love square necklines, which really helps you to accentuate your neck area. Material is also fine, and yeah. So talking about the second top, this is another colorful top. As it's summer, I have to keep in mind the color scheme, and I really love this top, and I guess it is all over the internet these days, and I really love how cute it is. I know it looks a little bit short, but it is not. Of course, these are very stretchable material, and this was I'm gonna pop the prices on the screen because I don't remember currently, and it's very breathable. You can of course wear it on trousers and high-waisted jeans. So, and the material is also decent, and this is how it looks from behind. You can wear a nude undergarment inside it and you're really good to go, and the material is very breathable, and even if you end up gaining weight this summer, it is stretchable, so do not worry about it. I guess I'm in the size large. I don't know, I'll have to check it. So I am in the size large, right? And the name of the top is Rainbow Top. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so you can check it out. The next top is another one of my favorite top, which is this nude top. So again, keeping the color scheme, I told you these, these are like kind of aesthetic tops, which I've picked up. I really love nude shade, because you can style it in many ways, and I really love this. It's you can say it has a little bit of turtleneck thing going on, not exactly, and it is sleeveless. Again, these materials are stretchable, and yeah, I mean the material is also good, and this is in the size, I guess this is in the size medium. I'm gonna pop up on the screen, and I really love it. And with this, I can imagine wearing a gold, chunky gold jewelry with this, and you can pair it with a high-waisted jeans or also a denim skirt, which will look very cool. So yeah, that is another second top. Here is another pink top. I mean, I had to buy pink stuff because I'm so in love with pink. So with this clothing, as you can see, this is appropriate size, and you have a knot here, and what you can do is you can just cinch it up and make it look like a bralette, however you want to style it. And again, you can wear it in two ways, so very summer appropriate. And the sleeves are also very chill. It has little bit puff going on here. About the material, I wouldn't say it is really breathable or nice quality. I mean, it is very okay for the price they offer, and it is in the size, again I can't see the size, yeah, it is in the size medium, which feels very, I mean, I would fit into it. About the material, I mean, I'm not very happy with the material, but as per the price point, I mean, it is very decent, and also it has a good neckline. So of course you can style jewelry or go in with the hoops, and you can style this top in a different ways depending on how you're wearing it. If you're cinching it, you can make it a crop top, and you can style it with denim shorts. It totally depends on you how you want to style this. And yeah, I mean, it is decent enough for the price, and I guess you have colors into this. Yeah, and you can also get colors in this one also, and with this one also I guess there was black color, but keeping summer in mind, I opted for mustard color because I don't have anything mustard. And इसमें भी color था, black था, white था, there were numerous colors, but I opted for nude. So yeah, coming to the last top I have is a pastel blue top. Not like pastel blue, like, yeah, like, very bluish top. This is also very cute. They have a artificial knot here, and it is very breathable material. I mean, it kind of looks okayish. Quality wise, it doesn't looks very good and sophisticated. It is okayish for summer. You can get few uses out of it, and the sleeve is also good. And again, it is a square neck, which really gives you which really helps you styling with your accessories. I really love a square neck because there's a lot you can do. You can wear a very chunky golden jewelry, or you can layer your necklaces. And this is again very breathable material. You can wear a nude undergarment and you're good to go. And you can style it with any black bottom. Because I don't know, because I have a feeling it wouldn't go with blue shorts or blue denim. It would definitely go with any black color bottoms. So that's all for my today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, then do not forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. That would really mean a lot to me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.